Namaste. Welcome to day 15 of this mindfulness meditation challenge. Hi, I'm Sneha, the founder of Stress Less with Sneha J. If you have not done already, subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, and also subscribe to this 21-day mindfulness meditation challenge. In today's challenge, we will do a forgiveness meditation. A lot of times we hold grudges against people, or if somebody has done something to hurt us, we hold their thoughts, we hold bitterness in our life. And more than it hurts others, the bitterness that we hold, it continues to hurt ourselves and our bodies, right? And a way of forgiveness is not to say that what other people did to you was right or wrong. It is more to bring freedom to you so that you can empty this heaviness or empty the space inside of you that is filled with bitterness, and to open your life to new possibilities and expand it. So let's get started. Find a quiet space and you can sit down or lie down during this meditation. Make sure that your back is straight. Let your hands be on the thighs. Close your eyes. And slowly bring your awareness inwards. Connect to the breath. Notice the breath at your nostrils coming in and out. Notice the incoming breath is cool and the outgoing breath is warm. With every exhale, just relax into calmness. Now bring your awareness to your heart space. You can also put your hands on your heart if you like. Now bring to your heart a person that may have affected you negatively, hurt you in some way. Someone who brings out a little bit of bitterness inside of you. Someone you may have not been able to forgive till today. Notice your heart space and see what kind of emotions arise inside of you because of bringing this person to your mind and awareness. Notice any change in sensations, emotions, feelings, intensity of the light inside of you. Now imagine this person standing in front of you. Look into this person's eyes. And say, I forgive you. I forgive you, even though you hurt me. I forgive you not because what you did was right, I forgive you because I want freedom from all the thoughts about you. I forgive you because I want freedom from all the bitterness inside of me. I forgive you not for you, but for me. Notice the changes that you see because you said these sentences in your body. Let this person now go from your awareness. Slowly bring your awareness from your heart back to your breath at the nostrils. Notice the incoming and outgoing breath at the nostrils. Slowly bring your awareness to the entire body. Bring movement to your hands and fingers and toes. And slowly, when you feel like it, you may open your eyes. How did it feel? Journal about this. Journal your experience and write down what feelings did you feel while forgiving this person? Why was it so hard all along to forgive this person? And what does forgiveness really mean to you? And one more thing, it's not always easy for us to forgive other people. So even if you went through this meditation but you were not able to forgive that person, then that does not mean that anything is wrong with you. It just means that you're not ready for that yet. And you can journal on it. You can just journal and accept and see if you can still accept that this is where you are at, that you cannot forgive this person. And is it acceptable to me right now that I cannot forgive this person? And you can journal that. If you like this meditation, share it with your family and friends and network. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and subscribe to the 21-day Mindfulness Meditation Challenge. Namaste.